Well, today hasn't quite gone according to plan. I was at work and got a message that Murphy has chucked a bit of a hissy fit. Apparently Murphy started misfiring badly, losing power, and then a few minutes later his check engine light came on and started flashing real bad. And so I find out what's going on with Murphy, so off we go. There he is. Let's go find out what's going on. Murph, you okay? There we go, we just did a long haul up a hill and it did start misfiring pretty badly. We've got a pending code for cylinder 3. The check engine light did actually come on, but I cleared it, and so it's gone to pending again. But I'm sure it'll come back on any moment because she's misfiring. But that's good. Definitive cylinder 3 misfire, so we know where to start. So, things that could be the problem are the coil packs, which are these things here. Could be the spark plugs, which the coil packs connect to. Could also be injectors, which are down in there. The quickest, easiest thing we can change right now without any tools are the coil packs. And now, interestingly enough, this is cylinder 3, and that coil pack doesn't match the other 3. So what we'll do is we'll switch 3 with 2, and whilst we're here we'll also switch 1 with 4, just in case for some reason the numbering isn't what we think it is, but I'm very confident about that having looked online. But since we're here, it doesn't hurt to switch things around. And then taking these coil packs off, no tools required in this car. It's just a little clip. I'm going to push this back here so it clicks, and again on this one. This one's broken. I might need to put the phone down for this. See if I can find you a place to watch. So here we go, we're just going to pull that back, pull that one. This is our broken one, we might need to help that one a little bit. There we go. All 4 of those come out like that. So we're going to switch to, there we go. Oh, look at that, they're not in the greatest condition anyway. With 3, just like that. So switch them over. They just a little pressure fit and a pressure fit, and then 4. I'm going to switch that one out with 1. There we go. Switch them over. So there we go. That's as simple as it is. And if we were replacing them rather than switching them, we would just put new ones in. But for now, that will be enough. And hopefully, when we go for a drive, we'll still get the error, but now, given we hope this is the problem, it'll be on cylinder 2 instead of cylinder 3. So let's go for a drive. Okay, so we've switched those coil packs around. Now we're just going to clear out the old cylinder 3 misfire. Nope, wrong button. No, that's the right button. Let's do that. There we go. Wait for that to reconnect. Okay, so no codes. When you go for a drive, we expect it'll still be misfiring, but hopefully that misfire code will have moved cylinders. And if we're really smart, we might even be able to predict that it's moved to cylinder 2. Well, it starts. It's running at idle. So that's good. It's revving right now because it's a little cooler than it was, so let's go for a drive. Well, we've been driving around for 10 minutes now and it hasn't missed at all, which I guess is good. maybe just fiddling with the coil packs has made a difference. Maybe not, but it has been running well on and off for the last couple of days, so this could just be one of the on moments. So we'll drive for a few more minutes, see if anything happens, and if not, then we'll just drive it for the next few days until it starts playing up again and see where that misfire shows up. But for now, we'll just cruise on home, I guess, and see what happens. Just got a big hill here, the last big hill before we head home. Let's give it a crack. Yep, no issue at all. Got a dumbass bicycle on the highway, but other than that, we're good to go. So, almost at the top. There we are, cresting out. Got to the top, no issues. Time to go home. Well, we're on our street now. Still no issues, one last little punch. And that's as good as normal, so good thing is it means there's definitely nothing developing in a big way in the motor. But it's kind of the issue with diagnostics sometimes, especially with intermittent issues, you just sometimes can't work it out straight away. So we think it's probably the coil packs, but we're just going to keep driving it. I'll make it my daily driver until that error appears again, and hopefully be on a different cylinder when it does. Well, here we are, we're home again. We certainly didn't feel any misfires out there, but we'll just check the computer and see if that's true. And nope, no misfires so far. Hasn't quite done a full drive cycle. We've still got one component to reset there, which is why we're getting a yellow light, not a green light. But no misfires. So we'll just keep driving him. I'll take him to work tomorrow and drive him for the next few days and see if we can get that code to show up. And we'll go from there. I'll let you know when I find something. Well, we've been driving around in Murphy for a week now, and he hasn't missed a beat. No issues whatsoever, no misfires, nothing. As you can see, green light here, 0 codes or pending codes or anything, so not even a single misfire. So that's great in that we know there's nothing really wrong with Murphy, but it does mean we haven't been able to confirm our suspicions, which is a slightly faulty coil pack. So we still think that was potentially the culprit. It could have just been a connection, and moving those coil packs around has tidied that up, or maybe just the coil pack wasn't sitting properly over the spark plug or anything like that. But the problem seems to have gone away with just a shuffle of the coil packs. Having said that, I think what we'll probably do is replace the coil packs anyway. They weren't looking to be in the best condition when we pulled them out, and managed to find a score on eBay for a set of 4 genuine Bosch coil packs. So I've ordered those. They should be here in a few days, and we'll switch them out anyway, because we were pretty sure that was what the problem was, and fiddling with those coil packs has made the problem go away. Well, hey team, it's late at night, but Murphy's finally home and he's going out again first thing in the morning. So we're going to try and get these coil packs changed out. It's a very quick job. Problem is, this error still hasn't flared up again, so we haven't actually confirmed that it is the coil pack. We have a pretty strong suspicion that it was the coil pack in cylinder 3. We switched it out to cylinder 2, but we have not had the error come back. So we're going to switch these out anyway, just so we get a little bit of confidence, at least in those coil packs. We'll be confident in those, and hopefully that was our problem and we don't have any more issues after that. But Murphy's done 400 or 500 kilometers since we last saw the error, since we switched those coil packs around. So fingers crossed we're not going to do any damage here, because he's got a 6 a.m. booking in the morning. So this is how we quickly change the coil packs. Okay, so, well, I assume these are coil packs in here. I ordered coil packs, but I haven't opened it yet. There we go, that looks promising. I managed to get a good price on genuine Bosch ones online, so that was nice. Hopefully there's 2 in each of those boxes. 2. There we go. They look good. Bosch, brand new. Couple in there. And a couple in there. All right. Well, you know the drill. You've seen it before. It's just as quick as when we switched them out. Pop this guy back. Already loosened these off just so a little bit quicker. There we go. And out we go. This is our faulty one, which we think was cylinder 3, now cylinder 2. Hasn't played up. We'll get rid of that one. Pop a nice brand spanker in there. There we go. And now for the other 3. 1, 2, 3. There's one. Cylinder 1. Couple more. One for cylinder 3. There we go. They're all in. Clip these guys back on. And that should be it. That's on. That one's broken. That one's on. All right. I think we're good. And hopefully we should be able to start her straight up. All right. Just gonna take it out to the street and around the block for now, and then I'm gonna take it for a proper drive later, but let's see, let's turn the flash off. There we go, see if she starts up. Well, fired straight up, that's a good start. Lights. And off we go. Oh, help if we take the handbrake off. Alright, so I've driven a little bit. No issues so far. There's a big old hill near where we live, so I'm at the bottom of it now. We're gonna head up it right now, all the way home. Let's see how she goes. Top now. So far, so good. We'll take it on a longer drive a little later tonight, but I gotta go do some stuff and then we'll be back. We'll go for a longer drive and I'll let you know how that goes right now. Halfway through our longer drive now and no issues so far. Just letting it sit and idle for a few minutes because when we picked it up originally, when it was having the problem, it seemed like sitting, letting it idle, let the engine bay warm up a bit more was what triggered it to happen in the first place. So we'll do that now for a few minutes. We'll sit here and then we'll head home. I'll let you know when we get home. Well, I'm home now. Nothing much to show you because it was a very uneventful drive, which is great. No check engine light, no misses, no lack of power, nothing. So certainly didn't make it any worse by putting those coil packs in. And we're gonna set Murphy free again tomorrow on another week-long rental and hopefully we don't hear anything back. So fingers crossed, that's the end of that. If anything else does come from it, I'll let you know. Otherwise, see you on the next one.